Hey, hello. For my final exam project, I'm going to be showing you how to convert molar mass and all that fancy stuff. So we're going to start off with the first problem, which is converting from grams to moles. Excuse my breathing. So we're going to start off, there are 300 grams of water, right? Excuse me. We have 300 grams of H2O, right? So we want to do that. What we want to do is we want to write this equation, right? And on the bottom, we want to put what we want to take out. So we want to take out the grams, right? We want to get rid of that, and we want to make it into moles of H2O. So, okay, so one thing that we must realize is that these two together is the molar mass. The connection between these two is the molar mass. So we want to find that. We want to convert from grams to moles, and this is how we're going to do it. So there's 2 units of hydrogen. And we have 1 unit of oxygen. Okay, so what we want to do is multiply by the molar mass for each one. So the molar mass of hydrogen is 1, and the molar mass of oxygen is 16. So we're going to go here, we're going to do the math. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 16 is 16. Add those together, and we have 18. So 1 singular mole of H2O is 18 grams of H2O. Right there. That equals 1 mole. So we found 1 mole of water. Put that here. 18. So now that we've done the conversion, that we have 18 grams of water in 1 mole of water, we need to find out how many moles are in 300 grams of water. And that's really the easiest step. All you got to do is plug it into a calculator. So we're going to go turn it on. So we want to do 300 times the 1 mole is going to equal 300, obviously. And then we want to divide it by the 18 grams in that mole. And we're going to get 16.66667. Now, we don't need to write all of this because here's what we're going to do. We're going to put these 3 digits, and that's because we need a 3-digit answer because we were given a 3-digit question. So we're going to write down in 300 grams of H2O, there are 16.6 moles of H2O. Okay, so now we just did a problem where we converted grams to moles. Now we're going to flip it, and we're going to do a problem where we convert moles to grams, all right? Okay, so now we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. So we're going to try to find how many grams are in, how many grams of, I didn't write it down, but how many grams of NaCl are in 5.52 moles of NaCl or sodium chloride. So let's start it off. This is, although it's the opposite, it's basically the same. So let's start it off. We have 5.52 moles of sodium chloride. All right. So then we do that. 1 mole sodium chloride grams. So now we need to find the grams. And remember, this is the molar mass. The relationship between grams and the moles is the molar mass. Never forget that. So, excuse me. So let's find out. So we're going to break these two up. We have sodium. we have 1 unit of sodium and 1 unit of chlorine. Now we need to multiply these two by their molar mass, which is 23 and 35 respectively. We need to add these two up to find our answer, and that will be 58 grams of sodium chloride is equal to 1 mole of sodium chloride. So now we just plug that in. Boom. 58 grams is equal to 1 mole. This camera keeps moving around. Jeez. My microphone. Jeez Louise. Excuse me to the audience. But so, alright, we plug this in. Now we just need to forgot the word. We just need to divide, essentially. So we need to do 5.52. Show the calculator. 5.52 times this right there. You gotta multiply it by the thing on the top. Times 58 is equal to 320.16. Now you also need to divide it by the one on the bottom. So divide by 1. Same thing. And now we have our answer. So forgot what I was gonna say. Brain fart. So there are 320 grams of sodium chloride in 5.52 moles. And yeah, that's basically it.